Hello, Chef here, working with mushrooms today. Oh, look at that big beautiful mushroom. I think you know the variety of this one here. If not, take a guess. Oh, I'll probably tell you. That's a beautiful Portobello right there. So Portobellos are better when they're ripe. It's starting to change color here along the perimeter, and that's telling you that it's ripe. So that's what you're looking for. You got to be careful, they bruise easy, and you don't want to wash these mushrooms. If you wash them, all these gills will soak up tons of water, and then you won't have a good experience when you try cooking them. So paper towel, you just wipe them off, remove any of the extra dirt or whatever you might find on the mushroom. Okay, just like that. That one's clean and ready to go. That one's looking good, ready to go. And that one's looking good, ready to go. Okay, so for my Portobellos, I do like to trim the bottom, remove that dirt off of there. So we're gonna just get rid of that piece right there. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, of course we've got 3 mushrooms, and that means we need 3 pieces of garlic right here. I like to give them a little smash like this. Peel them up, chop it up. These mushrooms here I'm going to stuff with a little bit of herbs, and we're going to cook them a little differently than anything you've ever seen before. So to start with, we want to remove the stems. These get used. Never discard mushroom stems. Alright, looking good. Alright, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And now I'm going to give this garlic a little chop. Alright, same with the mushroom stems. Cut these babies up like this. The trick is, this one's kind of falling apart. So I think I'm going to chop this one up and saute it as well. So then we're going to have these 2 remaining caps to stuff. So with that, move the garlic out of the way. Going to give this a little slice. Okay, looking good. So we got some sliced. We got some garlic. Sliced portobello. Portobello stems right here. Okay, hot saute pan, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil there. Garlic goes in. Oh yeah, let it cook. Mushroom stems go in. Sliced mushrooms go in. Sea salt, pepper. Yeah, you can't buy these heirlooms in the store. This came from a local farmer. Support your farmers. Beautiful tomato. basil, I'm just going to chop it up. People often ask me, what is it like to chop on end grain? Well, this end grain maple here has been used for like 15 years by dozens of different chefs and cooks. And man, it's really, really nice. The thing I like about it is it's so durable. Okay, there's some really nice looking basil. You can see minimal effort. Looking really, really good. Comes right off that maple. And we do oil this every month to keep it looking nice like that. Here's the 2 portobellos that I'm stuffing. I'm going to drizzle them with oil on the top and on the bottom as well. Just like that. Add a little bit of salt. Little pepper. Oh yeah. Okay, open them up like this. Some of this fresh basil. Yeah, just like that. And then this is where we put the sauteed mushroom as well as the heirloom tomatoes. It's put in just like this. We call this a stuffed mushroom cap in the restaurants, and man, they're good. Once upon a time, I'd sell about 50 of these in a night. Oh yeah. Okay, that's looking really good. Stuffed mushroom. And the last thing we're going to do for these babies here, oh yeah, a little more basil, why not? Gotta put some of this Italian Parmesan cheese right over the top like this. Okay. Drizzle more olive oil, Yep. I'm going to bake these at 350 degrees until they're nice and brown. Ah, the finished portobello mushrooms looking really good. I'm going to plate them up here. Something a little different. And what I'm going to do for the mushroom base is I've sauteed some julienne carrots. We're going to put a little nest of carrots down like this and just kind of spread them out. Oh yeah. We're going to take one of these big mushrooms like this, put it right in the center there. I'll put some of this juice right across the top. And I'm going to finish this one with a little touch of smoked paprika. A little color on there. And of course, just a touch of fresh herbs. A little bit of basil and oregano right here. Sometimes you just tear it up and you release a lot of good flavor, and it looks nice too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Most of all, keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, the stuffed portobello. It's going to be good. Here is a finished mushroom appetizer. safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here. Here, so I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using two products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner, so it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the two together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight, and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.